O Mark, dych chi drwyddo i rown nesa, hapus efo'r canlyniad?
Wel, wrth gwrs hapus. Cyn y gêm, mae rhaid i tîm yn cael y rawn nesa. Yn y hat y rawn nesa. Ond chwarae teg y chwaraewyr, chwarae teg i Holyhead. Ar ôl un funud, dwi'n meddwl bydden nhw hapus gyda cic y smotyn. Unwaith Caerfyrddin yn i lawr i 9 dynion, mwy y uchelgais o Holyhead a chwarae teg y Leeds i. Cyfle arbediad da iawn, ond diwedd y dydd trwy'r rawn nesaf, yn dwi'n hapus iawn a chwarae teg yr ysbryd ac ar y character y chwaraewyr Caerfyrddin ar ôl gyda dros 20 funud gyda 9 dynion, ond dwi'n hapus iawn.
Ie, mi alla'r Caerdydd Coch na fod wedi newid y gêm, wnaethon nhw ddim yn y diwedd.
Wel, dwi ddim siŵr am dau ohonyn nhw, a dweud y gwir. Mae rhaid i fi edrych ar y fio, ond ar ôl hynny, chwarae teg y chwaraewyr, mae ysbryd, mae'n hawdd yn teimlo yn sori yr hunan, ond chwarae teg y chwaraewyr, pobl fel Noah Daly, arbennig iawn ar y beil, ond dwi'n hapus iawn gyda canlyniad. Mae object y lesson ydy cael y rawn nesaf a'n Caerfyrddin in y hat y rawn nesaf.
Darren, you came so close in the end. How are you feeling right now?
Disappointed, really. Yeah, really disappointed that we didn't make the most of it when they went down to 9 men. That's probably the only regret we have. Not until the very last kick of the game when the keepers put the ball onto the post. But again, I think they deserve a lot of credit as well, because we just couldn't create chances even when they went down to 9. It's not a given that you can create chances, but they were really organised, they were really good, so you can't knock them for it, really.
Penalties again for you. You'd had luck with penalties in the previous rounds, not today.
No, not today, and that's what I said to the lads. Whoever's missed, you've missed, forget about it. After today, just get out your mind. You know, we've won 2. We lost 1 early on in the season as well, so they go for you sometimes they don't. It's football, it's fine.
What have you made of your team's run in the Welsh Cup this season? It's been quite a memorable one for you.
Yeah, it's been good. You know, this is the 3rd game in a row that we haven't conceded a goal. Again, we haven't managed to score because it's the 3rd penalty shootout we've had, but we've played some really strong teams with Caerfyrddin, Chadder Bay and now Caerfyrddin. So we show we can defend when we need to, and the lads can really hang in there sometimes when it's not going away. So yeah, we're happy with that.
O Tristan, gêm galad iawn, ddothoch chi drwyddi yn y diwedd?
Do, i fod yn gwbl onest. Ni'n gobeithio byddwn ni yn dod trwyddi, ond oedd hi yn dechrau mynd yn gletach yn ebyn y diwedd, ond pob ar y teg i Holyhead wnaethon nhw'n dda i ffrwydro a cadw ni nôl yn hanner ei hunain. Fi'n gwybod oedd 9 dyn dyn ond na, pob ar y teg yn nhw.
Ie, achos wrth gwrs chi fydda'r ffefrynnau cyn y gêm, ond anodd iawn chwarae efo 9 hefyd dan y fath amgylchiadau.
Fi'n gwybod, mae Wstad yn anodd o mewn i'r gêm fe ffefrynnau, achos fel Holyhead Hotspurs, mae byd yn nhw'n golli yn y Cwpan, maen nhw'n moyn joio, maen nhw'n lawr 5 awr ar y bus, so na, pob ar y teg yn nhw, ond neis i fynd trwyddo'r rown nesaf.
Unrhyw dîm dych chi eisiau wynebu'n y rownd nesaf?
TNS, please.
Wel, gawn ni weld os dewch chi Seintiau Newydd. Diolch, Mark.
Diolch.